Hi Fraggle friend! You're probably wondering how long you should run your Intex filter pump. In this video I'll give you the answer in the next few seconds. Thanks for tuning in, you're watching The Ultimate Fraggle. So, how long should you run your Intex filter pump, or any other brand pump for that matter? Since I did quite a few videos with practical pool advice, this is the question I get asked the most. Let's answer it right away. So the short answer is 2 or 3 hours a day should really be enough. But depending on your circumstances, the answer to this can vary a lot. So let's go into a little bit more detail. The climate, the use of the pool's location, the size of the pool and the size of the pump all have to do with this, of course. In general, when your pool looks clean, there's no dirt or other bits floating around in it anymore, just running the pump about 2 to 3 hours a day is really enough. On the other hand, when the water does not look clear, you can always run the pump a little bit longer, of course, to get all that sand and dirt filtered out. There's really no harm in doing that. You can run the pump continuously if you really have to. What can be a really good idea is to mix up the water before you start running the pump. That way all the dirt and sand that's suspended in the water will be sucked out with the water into the pump and then get filtered out. Another guideline to use is to compare the pool size versus your pump size. In my case, I haven't got this pool completely filled up, so the amount of water in it right now is about 3,500 liters. And the capacity of my pump is 3,800 liters per hour. So theoretically, in less than 1 hour, I have filtered all the water in my pool once. This is generally also a really good guide for the minimum daily runtime of your pump. One other thing, it's normally not recommended to have your pump running while the pool is in use. This is of course because electricity and water generally do not go together very well. Of course, to keep your pool clean, there's more to do than just running your pump. It's also very important to change and clean the filter of your pump regularly. If you want to find out more about general mobile pool maintenance, I have other videos on the channel which I'll link here on screen, or otherwise you can find them in the video description down below. And of course feel free to subscribe to the channel to see other pool related videos and lots of adventures coming to your screen in the future. Alright, so I hope that was helpful for you. It's also about time that I was gonna announce the monthly winner for the months of May and June. So I have this giveaway running on the channel. Every month I give away 100 Qatar riyals or $25 US dollars even if you prefer, to any commenter on the channel. So my lovely assistants Josja and Lily are not in the country actually at the moment. They're having a nice time away. So you have to take my word for it that I've chosen the monthly winners in a completely fair way. And let's go and announce them. So in the month of May I had a total of 108 comments on the channel. And the lucky winner for the month of May is Ismail Redwani. Congratulations Ismail. The money will be coming your way very shortly. If you contact me on the channel, just use a comment down below. Or you can contact me via Facebook or Instagram as well, of course. And then for the month of June, I had a total of 77 commenters, and the selected winner for the month of June is 100k. So congratulations 100k. I hope you'll be happy with it. 100 Qatar riyals or $25 US dollars is coming your way. Just contact me in any of the ways on the channel, writing down below or using Facebook or Instagram, and we'll get the money to you. And if you really appreciate my videos, please support us on Patreon for only a few dollars a month. Together with my girls, I have some huge adventurous plans for the future to be shared on YouTube, and that way you can help us to make it happen. Alright, see you soon, thanks for watching, bye!